Dr. Subramanian Swamy has extended his support to Kangana Ranaut. He backs Kangana over the demolition issue, says, "Have faith, we are with you." Subramanian Swamy, in fact, has tweeted, and I quote, "Tell Kangana to keep the faith, we are with her in this struggle." We're also being told that Kangana's lawyers have reached her office where the demolition drive is underway at this point in time, and they would soon, of course, be over the video conference speaking to the judge in the case as well. Remember, the hearing for stay on the demolition is going to take place at 12:30. We'll soon also try and play out the sequence with Kangana Ranaut's lawyer Rizwan Siddiqui. He has reached the office premises where structures as per BMC which are illegal are being demolished. Let's go across to Mohit Bhatt. Mohit, if you can hear me, you spoke to the lawyer of Kangana Ranaut. What did he say?
But Swati, I was not able to hear your question because it's complete chaos over here, and you can see, look at these visuals. Senior officials are here, 6 to 7 senior PI are here over here. Is this the reason that Kangana Ranaut spoke against the government? This demolition drive is taking place. Now Rizwan Siddiqui, the lawyer for Kangana Ranaut, came over here. He went inside, and for some moment it seems that the demolition work has stopped because he ran inside. He came out. We tried to talk to him. We asked him that why exactly this is happening, because you thought 7 days time, but then he clearly stated that he will be on a video call with the judge. And on that side, if my camera person can show you, Rizwan Siddiqui is in his car. He is on a video call with the judge over there, because this is something which is clearly illegal. Till 30th of September, we know for a fact that how no demolition drive can take place. But you see the police officials over here. Look at these scenes. I'll ask my camera person Karthik to come on, show these visuals. Look how a police van has been completely brought in. Is Kangana a criminal over here? And this construction over here did not happen within 2 or 3 days when Kangana started speaking against the BMC. This was happening for a long time, and if that is illegal, you need to demolish it when it happened. You did not take any action then, but Kangana Ranaut started speaking against the Maha Vikas Aghadi government, and that is why you started demolishing this particular area. And come towards this side. I'll ask the camera person to come towards this side. Look at these visuals. How Mumbai police, around 30 to 40 Mumbai police officials are here manning this area, and it seems that this is the house of the biggest criminal, because she spoke against Shiv Sena, she spoke against Sanjay Raut, she take 2, 3, 4 over here, and in some time from now, Kangana Ranaut will be here. Her legal team is here. As of now, what we can tell our viewers is that for the time
सोसाइटी से परमिशन लेने के बाद जो बीएमसी के दफ्तर है,
we'll see some senior officials has come over here. We'll try to see.
Mohit, I think there's some disturbance in your mic. Can you just fix that, and then I'll come to you. But at the moment, massive activity outside Kangana Ranaut's residence, come office at Pali Hill. Let's just try and go back to Mohit and listen in what's happening there. Mohit, once again, over to you.
Well, can you hear me now?
It's much better. Yeah, go on. Tell us, what's this activity outside the residence?
Well, you see, we hope that these are some police vehicles that are going towards that side. Some senior officials might have come over here to take stock of the situation. But then, as of now, it seems, let's see that whether somebody comes out and goes inside the house, whether some senior official from the BMC or somebody else has come over here. I guess this could be the escort of Kangana Ranaut, local escort of Kangana Ranaut, because she might come over here. We still don't know. But as of now, the demolition activity for the time being has been stopped. The demolition activity has been stopped because Kangana's team has taken a legal recourse. We can break this for our viewers, that the legal team of Kangana Ranaut reached over here. They had word with BMC officials, but they were not allowed to go inside. Now, when Rizwan Siddiqui, the lawyer for Kangana Ranaut, came out, and we asked him that what exactly he has to say on the demolition drive, because they asked for 7 days period. They asked that Kangana Ranaut come back to Mumbai, and then you can go on with the demolition drive. Let us also take the legal action. But that did not happen, because Kangana Ranaut spoke against the Mumbai police, because Kangana Ranaut gave challenge to Maha Vikas Aghadi government that she will be coming here. Today she will be coming here. And is it a coincidence when Kangana Ranaut decided to come to Mumbai, this demolition drive is going on? You can see towards
not looking like a coincidence. It's It's looking like a clear case of vendetta politics at the hands of Maharashtra's Aghadi Sarkar. Shame on BMC is actually trending on Twitter right now, and if you've been watching Times Now for the last couple of hours, you would know exactly why. It seems that just because Kangana Ranaut decided to speak against the Aghadi Sarkar of Maharashtra, particularly against Shiv Sena, against Sanjay Raut, and in fact this war of words has been going on for the last couple of days, the Aghadi Sarkar has decided to use BMC as a tool to target the actor. Today, these BMC officials with JCBs had reached Kangana's office cum residence at Pali Hill, and the demolition activity started, even if there was an embargo on not conducting demolition work till the end of this month. That was not followed in Kangana's case. And Mohit, if I'm not wrong, there are many buildings in Mumbai, across Maharashtra, which should be on the radar of the BMC. But BMC right now is busy taking dictation from the Sarkar and targeting this actor because she spoke against them.
But Swati, that is the question over here, that there are many illegal constructions in Mumbai. Now, whether BMC takes same action against them, we have to be taken what? Because look at these visuals. I'll ask my camera person to be on these visuals. Have you ever seen such huge amount of deployment of Mumbai police, BMC officials for demolishing illegal construction? And during the COVID times, there are strict guidelines that you cannot do this. You cannot do this till 30th of September. Is this the priority of the BMC and the Mumbai police, when we know for a fact that how cases of COVID are going up in Maharashtra? But look at the priority of Mumbai police and BMC. They just want to demolish the construction of Kangana Ranaut house. The question over here is, we are not saying, and I have to be clear on this, that you do not need to demolish the illegal construction. But the question over here is that look at those visuals. That wall was not made here from past in just 1 week or 1 month. It has been going on since a long time. Why BMC did not take action? Why Mumbai police did not completely guard this area like earlier? Why they allowed it? The question here is why they allowed it. It's a posh area. It's a Pali Hill area over here. Any single construction over here will come on the radar of BMC. But then why? Why this happened? Why the action was allowed to construct all these construction? But then the question over here is, because Kangana Ranaut spoke against the government, Kangana Ranaut gave the challenge to the Mahakhadi government, and that is why we see this action is being taken.
You know,
So a common man,
Mohit, can I just hold you to, can I just request you to hold on for a bit? You also updated us that legal team of Kangana Ranaut is at the spot right now, and of course they will be taking legal recourse, even as Kangana Ranaut herself boards that flight from Chandigarh to reach Mumbai at about 2:30 this afternoon. There will be hectic activity through the day.